This couch has 2 designated spots for cats and 2 for dogs.
It all works fine when I'm not there.
Sometimes
Lucy blocks Jules from getting up there, and Jules deals with that by circling and meowing around the couch. This allows Lucy to be prepared the second Jules hops up. I decided to try to fix this by moving Lucy to one end of the couch. I can only describe her reaction this morning as pure shock.
Your spot, you could jump up right there. Come on. Come on. Come on, Lucy. Oh, you're so mad? Yeah, you don't get the corner spot anymore. We get this corner. Come in.
Time has stopped. I'm supposed to be getting ready for work right now.
Jules is happy. Come on. Come on. You jump up right here. Jump up. You look really mad. Don't do it.
I think she said, fix it.
Are we having a standoff? Do you want me to pick you up? Come up here. Come on. Jump up. Come on. This is where your bed goes now. Hey, Jules. Oops. Oh, sorry, Jules. Come here, Jules. Come here.
Even though
Come
I
here,
nearly
Jules.
dropped a charger on her head, I can't help but notice Jules seems pleased.
Yeah, jump up yours. Yeah. There you go. Clear out. There you go. Yeah. Okay.
She can now go to her blanket on the pole, which has a heating pad under it, or she can go to the purple blanket, which she also likes. Lucy is still in disbelief.
Hey, come up. Come up. Come up and come cuddle me. Hey, stop watching her. Come on. She's all the way on the other side. She's really mad. Are you a little confused? Come on. Do you want a boost? I can get a boost. Okay, hold on. There you go.
This is what it looks like to lose power.
Yeah, it's got your heating pad and everything here. I watched your blanket last night. You're gonna have like full view of the door. Guard us. You're a little anxious. Oh, here, look your paws. Okay. Oh, we'll share a little bit, okay? Oh, good girl.
The rest of the day went well except for Lucy missed a jump onto the couch, so we'll have to work on that.